Does the float work?
Yeah, but he's not happy with the pool.
He doesn't like it. He's out here going.
It might be a little cold for him. I don't know.
Is it cold?
It's a little cold.
It's kind of chilly.
Whoa, you're swimming.
You gotta keep your feet out like this. Keep your feet out. No. Kick out here. There you go. Kick. Alrighty. Now let's swim across the pool. Grab a hold of your pink thing. Get rid of this.
What pink outfit, Princess?
Grab your pink thing.
He likes it up here better with me.
Get on it.
He likes a bath, right?
He loves the bath.
There you go. Now kick your feet. Kick your feet now.
Who's that?
Kick your feet. Kick your feet.
What are you doing to that thing? Who's up there? Say hello.
Now ready? Kick your feet. Kick your feet.
Ooh.
You are